Hi guys, so in this video we're going to cover how to fund your prepaid ad account using the Meta Business Suite mobile app. All right, so we're going to cover there are different ways you could fund, particularly for those of you that use Naira, Nigerian Naira. So you could use your bank transfer, you could use your Naira Visa or MasterCard, and also you could also use USSD code. So we're going to show you how you can fund your prepaid ad account using the Meta Business Suite. Don't forget, make sure you sign up for our professional configuration that covers how to professionally launch your business on Facebook and Instagram. Do well to contact us to get more information. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exclusive content like this. So let's show you how to fund your ad account.
So guys, we'll launch Meta Business Suite. Next, you click on this more at the bottom right. So make sure you've logged into the app firstly. So you log in with your Facebook account or your Facebook login details. All right. So you click on more at the bottom right. Next, what you're looking for is billing and payments. So search for billing and payments on this page. Then you click on billing and payments. So look at ours here. Okay. So once you come here, the next thing you want to do is to switch your ad account. We can also fund this one. This ad account is a business prepaid ad account. So for most of our clients, make sure you fund only the new prepaid ad account we've created. Okay. So take note of that. So we're going to switch to another prepaid ad account. Don't fund your personal ad account. Your personal ad account is that ad account that bears exactly the same name you answer on your Facebook profile. That is your main Facebook profile. All right. So we're going to switch to another business prepaid ad account. So let's fund SAG 06. So next you click on add funds. So you can either pay with bank transfer or pay by USSD or pay by bank transfer, pay by USSD, pay in Naira with Verve, Visa or MasterCard. These are the three we recommend. Okay. For international persons, people outside Nigeria, you're in US or in UK, you could use your debit or credit card. Next, you input the amount you want to fund. So we're going to fund 50,000 Naira. Okay. So after inputting the amount, then make sure you select the right method we are using. So for this one, you are using pay in Naira with Verve or Visa or MasterCard. So don't forget, you could use the pay by bank transfer, but we're going for this one where we use our Visa or Verve card and pay in Naira. Our Naira Visa or Naira Verve card or Naira MasterCard. So we click on next. So kindly visit the description section of this video. We have other options in case you have a failed, payment. Okay. Next, we're going to select a debit card because we're using a debit card. If this is the option that came out for you, so make sure you go for a debit card. Most Nigerian cards are debit card. So don't forget that. So we'll go for debit card. Now we're going to input our card details. Then we'll pay. So you're going to input the OTP code that was sent to you. So you can see that the payment was successful. So we click on go to Business Suite app. So it's that easy. So you can see 50,000 successfully added. Then we'll click on done. You can see we just refreshed it. The funds has reflected. All right, guys. So cheers.